Hello everyone and welcome to my platform She Counts. Here we talk about all the aspects of women's health. Today I will be answering your questions related to COVID, vaccination and pregnancy. Can I plan pregnancy now as I am on infertility treatment? So, it would be a great idea to wait for at least 6 to 8 weeks till this present second COVID wave is down. Infertility treatment usually requires frequent visits to your doctor, frequent ultrasounds, thereby increasing your risk to exposure. But in case you get pregnant on your own, please don't panic, things can be managed well. If I have COVID, then do I have chances of infertility in future? So, there has been very few studies which said that COVID-19 infection actually causes decrease in the semen parameters and adversely affects the main fertility. In fact, there is one study which said that COVID-19 infection can cause ovarian inflammation, that means the ovaries get swollen up and even fall in the ovarian reserves, that means your ova counts goes down. Should I get vaccinated and then plan pregnancy? Yes, this is a better idea. Please take both the doses of vaccine, wait for at least 6 to 8 weeks after the second dose of the vaccine so that a good antibody response develops in your body and then you can plan your pregnancy. Are pregnant women at a higher risk of getting COVID infection? No, the risk of getting COVID infection in pregnancy is the same as the non-pregnant women, but this disease might become more severe in pregnancy as the pregnancy is actually an immunocompromised state. What if I am diagnosed with COVID-19 infection during pregnancy? Please do not panic. Immediately inform your doctor, stay in touch with your doctor, take proper medications which are being told by a doctor, carefully monitor all your parameters like temperature, baby movements, oxygen saturation, your drugs and your diet. If at any point of time you notice any deterioration, immediately inform your doctor and follow strict quarantine norms. Can COVID infection be passed from mother to her unborn baby? Usually, women get anxious and they are stressed whether this infection will be transmitted to their baby. So in this regard, at present, there are very few recorded cases of vaginal secretions being tested positive for COVID. How do I manage the medical care in pregnancy in this COVID time? You can take online appointment with your doctors, go to home collection of blood, go out if it's really very necessary, take all COVID protocols very seriously, wear a proper mask, wear and remove it properly, wash your hands, sanitize your hands very frequently and follow strict social distancing. Which vaccine is better for me? So in India we have two vaccines which are available at present, that is Covaxin and Covishield, and both of these are equally effective and safe, but ensure both the doses are of the same brand. You don't need to take Covaxin in the first dose and then Covishield in the second. Please don't do that. Is COVID vaccination safe in pregnancy and lactation? Pfizer and Moderna have recently shared safety data on the vaccines that have been clinically tested on more than 90,000 frontline workers, pregnant women and women with comorbidities. However, Covishield and Covaxin have not done that. Both the vaccine manufacturers in India state that it is not suitable for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. But since India is actually facing a national health emergency, so the FOXI, which is the largest organization of obstetricians and gynecologists, after discussions with various international organizations, concluded and recommended that vaccination for pregnant and lactating mothers should be offered, as the benefit of vaccination in this pandemic actually outweighs the theoretical risk to the baby. So, my answer is you must get vaccinated. It will not only protect the mother but also the unborn baby. Can COVID-19 vaccine cause infertility? No, the vaccine is absolutely safe. It does not contain any live virus, and so it cannot cause any infertility either in the male or in the females. Will I be able to breastfeed if I am COVID positive? Scientific data states that virus is not secreted in the breast milk. However, the baby might get infected by the direct contact with the mother. So in case you plan to breastfeed the baby, make sure that you sanitize your hands, wear a proper mask. You may also decide to express the breast milk, and somebody else might give through either katori chammach or through bottle. I have polycystic ovarian disease. I am obese and I have raised blood sugar levels. Can I take the vaccine? Yes, of course you can take the vaccine. Can COVID-19 infection cause an abortion? We do not have any scientific data supporting this, but there are minimal chances if you are severely affected with COVID and have comorbidities also, then the chances may increase. Can COVID-19 infection cause preterm labor? Yes, there have been some studies where it has been shown that COVID-19 infection is associated with a higher risk of women going into preterm labor. So yes, the chances are more. Can COVID-19 infection cause birth defects? We do not have any scientific data supporting this, but COVID-19 infection has been associated with DNA fragmentation in the sperms and theoretically increasing the risk of birth defects. But till now, we still have very thin data to support this. Which precaution to take if I am COVID-19 positive and I am going into labor pains? So it's very important, inform your doctor immediately, go to hospital. Most of the hospitals right now are very well equipped to handle COVID positive patients who are going into labor. The cesarean section might be required for obstetrical reasons, or sometimes in case if the mother is having severely compromised lung functions, to avoid undue stress to the mother, LSCS can be performed. Thank you.